Encountering a sign-in error on Windows 11? Here's how to fix it quickly and get back into your account. Close all your programs and save any open files. Select the power button or hold the power button for at least 30 seconds and wait for about 10 minutes to turn it back on. Wait for your device to reset before trying to sign into your account again. Press Win+S, then the search bar type CMD. Then click on Run as Administrator. In CMD window, type the following command: sfc/scano. Right-click the antivirus icon in your system tray, usually near the clock. Turn off the virus and threat protection and app and browser control. Press Win+S, then the search bar type CMD. Then click on Run as Administrator. Type the following command and press Enter button after each one. NetUser, insert name, /add example. NetUser Madeline /add net local group administrators. Username. Add netshare concfgc grant.user. Account name. Full NetUser user account name. Restart your device and try to sign in to your account again. Press Win+. Then on setting navigate to Windows Update. Click the right-hand side click on Check for Updates or install Reboot your computer. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.